Hey everyone, I'm Alan. I live in Austin, Texas. Uh, Everything is crazy right now, the whole world. And there's this big game changer, AI. Have you heard? I mean, there's not a news report that you don't hear several segments of AI, whether it's the company or a product, a tractor driving for a farmer, a toothbrush. You can get an app that'll critique you on your brushing habits. hmm Listen, I'm a Gen Xer. I've had to reinvent myself so many times. I was in brain surgery last week, and now I'm Nicole Kidman with better eyebrows and no cosmetic surgery. You get all this natural, maybe a little color. But you know what? I'm not going to reinvent myself anymore for corporate America. And you know, it's not just the Gen Xers. The young people right out of college are having to rethink their whole career path because AI is changing it so quickly. A lot of you smart young people are deciding to do VOTech training because they want careers that not going to be X'd out by AI. So, I've got to figure this out. We all do. And just recently, I threw my hat back in the ring for acting. I did a lot of acting back in the 90s and 2000s. Everything was face to face and paper resume, headshot. You had to show up and nerve wracking in front of all the people and cameras and do whatever ridiculous ad libbing they make you do. Pull a rabbit out of your hat. So I was thinking, what if I did something? I'm going to need headshots. You need reels, and reels are scenes on film or high quality video. Your audition needs to be on high quality video, so everything's digital. Anytime you upload anything to a website, everything costs money. I decided, what if I could do all that myself? And what if I could learn to edit and film my own films and commercials, my own YouTube channel, and make it professional, because I like things well done. I like professional. I like things done well, and I can't help that. But I wouldn't put anything out there with my name and face on it less than. But when you start talking professional and high quality, you're talking money. That's why it's professional and high quality, right? It's not cheap. So I got a list from my team, ChatGPT. It's jaw-dropping of what I need to build this professional film sound editing studio. So I'm jumping in both feet because I want to be a millionaire. I want to change my life. And the experts say that AI is going to make 10 times the millionaires than the internet did. Listen, I volunteer, I donate for food shelters, but animals are my heart. I volunteer for animal rescue, I foster. I have a home full of rescue dogs that I love very dearly with all my heart. They depend on me, I depend on them. There's a lot of animals out there that need help. But you know what? This whole world, everybody needs a little help. So I'm going to turn to AI to build this. I'm going to give it 90 days to make it profitable. So we'll go from $0 to $1,000 in 90 days. We are making a professional channel, so we will be an affiliate with Amazon, associate affiliate, for products that will link up. I'm buying very high-end, expensive equipment that we will review on AI. Some of it has AI. All the stuff for content, what it takes to do professional setup, how much it costs, all the receipts, my breakdowns, my wins, my fails. Everything I'll do right here. I'll show everybody everything. And I'm going to build something from the ground up in do my very best to change my life and everybody else that I can make better. So I don't know where I'm going to put a studio in my 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo with all my rescue dogs. It's a beautiful place, but I don't have room for a studio. But AI is going to have to help me figure this out for my kids and my family. So that's my responsibility that I wholeheartedly love, and I want to make something great happen, right? I think now is the time. And everyone's changing their own life with social media. Everyone's creating things without corporate America. If they can do it, I can do it. You know, that's all you got to do is jump in, believe in yourself, invest in yourself. But now I have something I think that can give me the answers and help lead me in all the places I never had the answers, is probably why I never did this before. Now all that I do, yeah, I think I know the Microsoft stock and everything. So look out, here I come. Go with me. Let's change the world, right? Okay. I have so many of you, co-workers, ex-co-workers, bosses from all the companies, all my acting friends. I guess let's change the world, guys. And then the rest of the world, join in with us. Let's figure this out. We got to figure out what we got to watch out for, right? How to protect ourselves. We got a million questions. We want AI companies to know that we're watching. You know, you're not left behind. If you look at social media, they're telling you you're left behind. You have to buy their products and take their courses. If you took a 4-month course in AI, it would be obsolete by the time you finished it because it changes so fast. AI is about how you speak to it and what you tell it to do and how you can multi-level, make it multitask for you. That's what really using AI is about. I'm learning. So you're not left behind. Over 90% of this planet doesn't really understand. Well, that's us. And AI companies need us. So we are the people that they need. We're not high-techers. We're the people. We want to know what you're doing, what's coming out. We are going to review your products. We're going to see if they work. I want to see, is it going to make my life better? Is it a piece of crap? I mean, I have friends that are teenagers to 90 plus years old. It's got to benefit everyone in every career, whether you're retired or you're just starting, if you're in school, if you're physically challenged, mentally challenged, and you know who you are. But yeah, it's a game changer. It's changing the world. We can't ignore it. So let's jump in. Let's see what happens. Just follow along. And yeah, let's build something good. Give me something good. I don't know if I can do that on here. Is that going to cost me? Anyway. Bye. Stay tuned. This is my first video. It's filmed on my phone. Moving forward, as soon as product starts coming in, I'll be switching to a very fine, cinematic, high-tech movie camera. Professional. Love it. Like and subscribe. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm filming this in my kitchen, for goodness sake, on my iPhone. So I guess we'll learn together. What I learn, we'll see it. Or I'll be a big old fool. Or, well, ChatGPT will, because I'm depending on him. I'll be double checking and fact checking and stuff, because this is my livelihood. Could be fun. Bye, everybody.